Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we present a collection of stylish and practical baby boy winter shoe design ideas. Discover a range of cozy boots, soft-soled shoes and warm sneakers perfect for keeping your little one's feet protected during the cold season. We showcase a variety of styles including classic, neutrals, playful patterns and adorable animal themes shoes, ensuring there's something for every boy taste and style. Whether for outdoor adventures or indoor warmth, those winter shoe design ideas will keep your baby boy's feet comfy and cute all winter long. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.